which is called as model based reflex agent. This is also a reflex agent. It also works as a reflex. Okay, and reflex agent are characterized by one component in their representation, that is this CAR, condition action rules. Again, this model based reflex agent has set of condition action rules which are fixed, which are persistent. So you will find that this rules set, नीचे अगर देखोगे, नीचे का फंक्शन अगर दिख रहा है आपको, आई एम नॉट श्योर दिस इज विजिबल. Okay, you will find that this particular agent program also has these rules which is persistent. Okay, but besides that, it has added three more things rather. Number one is the state, number two is the model, and number three is the action. Now please identify what changes we have now. Now what we are doing is we are actually modeling the world state and remembering it. We are remembering it. We are not losing what we thought of the state was previously. पिछली बार जब सिंपल रिफ्लेक्स एजेंट काम कर रहा था तो हम लोग प्रीवियस स्टेट के बारे में सोच नहीं रहे थे. वी वर जस्ट लुकिंग एट द वर्ल्ड, फाइंडिंग आउट बेस्ड ऑन परसेप्ट कि वर्ल्ड का स्टेट ये है, ये एक्शन करना है बिकॉज कंडीशन एक्शन रूल्स से दैट. अभी लेकिन हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, हम लोग थोड़ा इन्फॉर्म डिसीजन ले रहे हैं. कैसे इन्फॉर्म डिसीजन ले रहे हैं? वी आर एक्चुअली रिमेम्बरिंग द स्टेट फ्रॉम वन कॉल टू द नेक्स्ट कॉल. प्रीवियस कॉल और करंट कॉल में वर्ल्ड का स्टेट को हम लोग रिमेम्बर करके रख रहे हैं. उसके साथ हम अपनी एक्शन को भी रिमेम्बर करके रख रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पे देखोगे व्हाट माय एक्शंस डू, मैं मेरा प्रीवियस एक्शन जो था उसको रिमेम्बर किया है. तो प्रीवियस एक्शन मेरे पास है, सो आई कैन कॉल इट एज एक्शन I-1 if the current time instance is I will have state I, that is the, sorry, I will have state I-1, the previous state. So I'm remembering the previous state. I'm asking myself a question, what the world is like now. That means I'm creating or generating state I. So if I know the current state of the world, I know the previous state of the world, I know my previous action. Now I know that my previous action changed the state from Si-1 to Si. So I'm actually trying to understand how the world gets evolved. तो ये जो क्वेश्चन है how the world gets evolved, इसका आंसर हम अपने को because of the maintenance of these three variables मिलता है. प्रीवियस स्टेट में रिमेम्बर करके रखता हूँ, प्रीवियस एक्शन में रिमेम्बर करके रखता हूँ, और करंट स्टेट में मेरे परसेप्ट से जनरेट करता हूँ. सो आई विल हैव टू स्टेट्स वैल्यू, करंट and just previous plus previous action. Based on this, I will know how the world is evolving based on my actions. मेरे एक्शन से वर्ल्ड में क्या क्या तकनीकी चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, what all changes are there in the world or the environment based on my actions. So he is also paying attention to what sort of actions he did, and based on that it is trying to change the environment or take the appropriate action. What action should I do? Now this is a much more elaborate or much more better selection of action based on the rules. Okay, see what the agent function works like. नीचे देखेंगे हम लोग. So same, so structure same है, नाम अलग है function का. Model based reflex agent is now the name, percept is input, action is the output. State of the agent, so state is agent's current conception of the world state. एजेंट का वर्ल्ड स्टेट का करंट कंसेप्शन, और ये नेक्स्ट स्टेट प्रेडिक्ट करने तक persistently रहेगा अपने पास. So it's a persistent variable. It is like a static variable. Model is description of how the next state depends on the current state and the action. So this is how we are going to model. So the model is what? The description of how the next state depends on the current state and the action. Current state और action पे next state कैसे dependent है, इसका model हम लोग create करेंगे. Rules is the set of condition action rules, and action is the most recent action. Initially it will be none. Okay, initially this value will be none. Even the initially state will be initialized as the first percept comes in. As the first percept comes in, we'll know the state of the world. Now we will be updating the world state based on previous value of the state. previous action value, the current percept value, and the model of the world. So we will be actually using these 4 parameters in the update state function and decide what will be the world state. If I perform, what will be the world state? Now, based on the state, I will do the lookup in the rules. Please remember, earlier when the simple reflex agent was working, the lookup was based on state in the table of rules. That thing we are keeping same. But how we arrived at this current state of the world is now a bit different. We arrived at current state of the world based on our previous state, previous action, the percept that we received, and the model of the world. And this model is trying to tell you or remember the delta between the previous and the current state. So model में हम लोग क्या remember करते हैं? It is the description of how the next state depends on current state and action. So current state और action पे next state कैसे dependent है? ये आप model के अंदर preserve करते हैं. So model is a representation of that delta, that change in state that was fact because you applied the action. Okay, so that's how this particular agent architecture works. Rest of the things are same. So the number of steps again 3, but the way the state is defined is different. Okay, and the way the condition action rules are working, they are also fixed. So condition action rules are fixed. They are initially defined as the agent start operations, and they are not changing at all anyhow. So you might feel like the drawback, if any, this particular has is the fact that it does not alter these condition action rules. They are fixed set of conditions and actions. So it may realize that its actions are not effective in the world, but what it cannot do is change the state action pair because it is fixed. It will realize कि ऐसा हो रहा है, मेरी गलतियां ये है. हम लोग बहुत बार बोलते हैं ना, I know that these are my mistakes, but we are very much reluctant in changing our behavior. We always behave the same way in scenario where we realize that our behaviors are not correct even with our experience. That is what will happen with model-based reflex agent. You are modeling the world well, but you are not changing the way you do or perform the action. That's the drawback of the model-based reflex agent. Now, to overcome that drawback, we have next agent architecture type, which is called as the goal-based agent. Here, there is much more elaborate way of the first part, which was not correctly done, how the world was evolving. Okay, so now what this agent would do is it actually takes the input, it asks itself a question, what the world is like now. Okay, based on the state, based on how the world evolves and what my actions will do, ये तीनों use करके using the model of the world activities, it will know what is the state of the world. Okay, just like previously. Then rather than directly jumping onto condition action rule, what it will do is what it will be like if I do an action A. Now it will deliberate. अगर अभी ये सिनारियो में मैंने एक्शन ए किया तो उसका इफेक्ट क्या होगा, बी किया तो उसका इफेक्ट क्या होगा, सी किया तो उसका इफेक्ट क्या होगा, डी किया तो उसका इफेक्ट क्या होगा. So it is going to now judge. It will have a set of actions defined, like say vacuum cleaner world. It had 3 actions. One was to go to the right, go to the left, and the third was to suck. तो 3 ही लिमिटेड एक्शन थे, तो हर एक एक्शन करने से क्या इफेक्ट होगा उसके बारे में वो डेलिब्रेट करेगा. दैट मीन्स इट विल एक्चुअली जज its actions impact on the environment. Now to judge that impact, it requires some sort of performance measure, and that performance measure is going to be defined through the goals. So far, all the agents that we talked about, they lacked the proper utilization of the term performance measure. But here we have this particular thing called as goal. Now, as I evaluate different actions that I could do, I would be trying to identify, अगर मैं ये एक्शन करूंगा तो ये इफेक्ट होगा, ये एक्शन करूंगा तो ये दूसरा इफेक्ट होगा, say effect 1, effect 2, effect 3. Now when I come to this particular part, what action I should do out of the action set that I have, I will check against my goal. whichever is closer, taking me closer to my goal achievement or goal attainment, I would take that action. So consider that there are 5 actions possible. For all 5 actions, you will judge what will be the consequence of that action, and based on those consequences, you will decide which consequence of the 5 or 6 that you have takes you closer to attaining your goal. The one which is taking you closer to attainment of the goal, you will select that as the action to perform, and you'll send it to the actuators. Okay, so I'll read what they say as the text over there. A model based, goal based agent. So it is going to model the world state. So the upper part of the agent is like a model based agent, but the lower part it changes a bit. It adds 2 portions. So ये action जो करना था वो singular action करने से अच्छा it divides itself into 2 parts. What it will be like if I do action A, action B, action C, action D. For every action, this will be deliberated, and then what action I should do now based on my goal. Okay, so these 2 parts are in addition. Yeah, it keeps track of the world state as well as, so it is going to do all the activities that model based agent was doing, as well as a set of goals will also be there, and it is going to try achieve those set of goals and model the world. So both the things it is juggling simultaneously. Choose an action that will eventually lead to the achievement of the goal. वो सभी गोल्स को अचीव करने का कोशिश करेगा, वो ऐसे एक्शंस को चूज करेगा जिससे गोल्स ज्यादा से ज्यादा अच्छी तरीके से सेटिस्फाई होंगे. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज गोल बेस्ड एजेंट और मॉडल बेस्ड गोल बेस्ड एजेंट. दोनों का नाम दोनों ही नाम यूज होते हैं, मॉडल बेस्ड गोल बेस्ड एजेंट या सिर्फ गोल बेस्ड एजेंट. ये आपका चॉइस है अगेन हाउ टू नेम इट, whether to name it just goal based agent or whether to name it model based goal based agent. Okay, so that is about the goal based agent.